What's going on, you guys? Thank you so much for joining me back on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Today I'm going to be driving the 350z over to the car wash and we're going to be washing the car down. It's not going to be too much. We're just going to be doing like a 2-minute wash, and then I'm probably going to be cleaning the interior out because it is just terrible. I got like towels and stuff in the back, so I'm going to do some organizing. And the glass up here, I don't know if you can tell, but the glass, it's like see right that tree? You can kind of see all the dead bugs and stuff. It's like gnat and fly season right now, so I'm gonna go over there and wash all of the bugs off of the car and clean all of the garbage out, because look at this. I don't know if you can tell, but I mean, that's not acceptable. You need like the entire hazmat team to come out and clean that. So I'm gonna drive the car over to the car wash, I'm gonna rinse it down, and then I'm gonna pull it into one of the bays and we're gonna like clean the whole car out. Now I was thinking about getting some pulls and driving around a little bit. I wanted to get some drone video, but I'm in a new location. I love finding new areas to fly. So yeah, that's what we have planned today. And let's do it. I don't know if it's just me, but does anyone else sit here until their oil temperature is like good to go? I'm not gonna lie, I watch out my window, I watch all these other cars leave in the morning and stuff, and you'd be so surprised how many people just get in their car and drive away within 4 seconds. Like, they don't let any of the oil like circulate through their engine, they just leave, and it's just crazy. It's just crazy. I would never do that. Like, I mean, could you imagine? It'd be like sleeping all night long and someone runs into your room, like out of nowhere, they run into your room and they're like, come on, you gotta run like 5 miles right now. Like, get up, you gotta run 5 miles right now. You gotta do some stretches, you know, you gotta wake up, you gotta use the bathroom, you gotta do some stuff, you gotta get ready for that, you know what I mean? I don't know if it's just me, but that's always what I've felt, so. I think one of my favorite things about this car is when I have the windows cracked a little bit, you can hear the intake kind of like whistle when it brings air in, and it kind of sounds like I have a turbo. Man, every time I come back to this car wash, there's always a pretty awesome car here. And now we wait. So I just made it over to the car wash. I gotta wait for a wash bay to be open because they're all taken, and there's a truck waiting here, so it's gonna be a little bit. Okay, so the truck just left. I'm gonna pull up a little bit, assert my dominance. Someone pulled in behind me, so you know. So I only have like $2, so this is gonna be like a 4-minute wash, then I'm out. So this seems like a pretty good time. If you haven't hit the like button yet, please do. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate that as well. We got a bay over here, finally. I'm gonna pull it in right here. All right, I'm gonna jump out real quick. I'm gonna rinse this thing off, and then I'm gonna pull over on the side, so. You really gotta see how much is behind this chair. Look at this, look at this. Do you see all that? I mean, wow. It's a lot of stuff behind one driver's seat. Look how much better. We got some rubbing alcohol, we got the cone and the, you know, the rag to check the oil, and the flathead screwdriver. Just chilling back here if we need. That's much better. I just noticed this is coming off. I'm assuming it just, oh. Doesn't look like it's happening anywhere else. That's good. Look at this, I have 3 skateboards. Well, 1 skateboard and a long board and like a penny board. I'm garbage, don't worry. I bought that skateboard off Craigslist for like 15 bucks like 2 months ago. Just because I wanted to ride a skateboard and like, I didn't want to drop like $150 on one, so that's what ends up happening. All right. I'm gonna call that clean and organized for right now. Jeez. I kinda wanna rev it inside this little like enclosure here. I bet it would sound great. Missing something. It's missing cracks and bangs. If you guys know anyone in Southern California that can tune 350Zs, let me know down in the comments, because I really want like cracks and bangs and pops and stuff like that for my exhaust, but I don't know anyone that can tune a 350Z for that. So let me know down in the comments if you guys know anyone. Yeah, it sounds pretty good otherwise though. It's really clean, you know, especially for muffler delete. Usually it's like when you take the muffler off of a car, you never really know how it's gonna sound. Like it can either be like really raspy or it can just sound like not very good, but I feel like it's a pretty clean note on the 350Z, so. Yeah. As you guys saw from the intro of this video, this up here is just insanely dusty. Oh, that is much better. Look at that. You can actually see it now. Oh my god. The Mustang and a Honda. That sounded insane. See that dust? See, people that drive with their windows down, they know this dust right here. This dust right here accumulates faster than any other dust. Because it creates like a vacuum, you know, and it pulls it inside. Oh man, okay, so look at this. See this disgustingness? Wow, look how that cleans up. It cleans up nicely. So this is a problem now. See that in there? Ew. And that works, but it's gross. Alright, so we cleaned this. Cleaned this. What I do want to do is kind of get this goobers on the inside of this ring, so I'm gonna clean that really quick. Put a little hand sanitizer on the rag. So hand sanitizer and this rag are the only cleaning products that I have with me right now, unfortunately. But I'm not gonna lie, it does a pretty good job. Alright, that is so much cleaner. So what I really want to do sometime is come through here with like something like this key and just really get in here and just get all this dirt, but I just feel like I don't have the correct tools and stuff for that. Like it has to be even thinner than this, I feel like, so we'll save that for the day when we take out the seats to clean everything. But I honestly think, I mean, it looks way better than it did. Like, at least it's not dusty. I can get in here and just be comfortable now. And yeah. So the car is pretty much clean. I know I didn't vacuum or anything, but I'm out of like dollar bills for the car wash or for this vacuum thing. So I'm gonna have to come back another time and do that. So what I really wanna do is like one of these days, I wanna do a video where I totally gut the interior, where I get both the seats out and vacuum everything under the seats, because it's pretty much impossible to get all the way under the seat with any type of vacuum. So you can look forward to a future video where I'm taking everything apart and showing you guys how to basically dismantle the interior of a 350Z and then, you know, put it back together. So I just got a text from my dad, and he's actually coming to the car wash right now to wash his car. So I might actually just wait here for him, or I might cruise around for a little bit until he gets here, but I think I'm gonna save that for the next video. If you guys enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you have any comments at all, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of quarantine, and I need your assistance to do that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video, where it's gonna be pretty awesome. We might have some races and stuff, so you know what that means. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.